Okay, I'm super excited because my GoPro Hero 8 just arrived today. It's like the 14th of October and the release is tomorrow, and I got it, so I will unbox this for you and I will give you even more videos if you want to, so comment on what you would like to know. I will try and test it out and I will bring it on all my travels, so comment and subscribe to the channel to see even more content with this GoPro Hero 8. So let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I'm gonna try to make this unboxing as quick as possible, so let's get to it. So I ordered it from GoPro.com and it got shipped here with UPS. I'm supposed to have the SD card included as well. It's right here. 32 gigabytes extreme SanDisk, and then the main attraction. And you pull this tab right here. There we go. This is just the packaging feature on here and a hard plastic case. So in here we have nothing. And here we have some mount and the USB-C to USB cable and the GoPro Hero 8 batteries, which are a little different than the Hero 7. This is actually my first GoPro since the Hero 3 Black Edition, so it's quite an upgrade for me. Here we have some instructions, as well as a guide to how to release this. I need it. Right, so here is the camera. It's so nice. It's really small and compact, and yeah, I will get this up and running, but this is it for now for the unboxing, so make sure to stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you think it was in any way helpful. And yeah, that's it. So thank you very much for watching this quick unboxing. I hope I didn't miss anything in here. But yeah, this is the new GoPro Hero 8. Nice to see you, little friend. Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.